Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about duration of day and night and size of India in comparison with other countries of the world. Duration of day and night. Like longitude, the latitudinal difference of India is almost 30 degrees. That is 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Consequently, the southern part, which is closer to the equator, has a longer day than the northern part, which is away from the equator. Let us take an example to understand this. Kanyakumari and Kashmir are located at different latitudes and at different locations from the equator. The day and night are nearly of the same duration at the equator, but as we move away from the equator to the poles, the variations in duration of day and night becomes greater. It is for this reason that we find the length of days and nights differ between the northern and the southern parts of the countries. Since Kanyakumari is closer to the equator, the difference between the duration of day and night is hardly felt, whereas there is a marked difference between the duration of day and night in Kashmir. So is this clear? Okay, so let us move on to the next. Coming to the size of India, the total landmass of India or the area covered by India accounts to be 3.28 million square kilometers, which means the outline boundary of India. Now, what is the countability of this area around the world? India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. This picture shows the total geographical area of the world, in which India's total area accounts for about 2.4%. Is it clear? Okay. Now moving to the next. Let's have a look. In the given world map, you can see the 10 countries are being highlighted that are top 10 largest countries by its area. Now let us see the ranking of the top 10 countries, out of which India stands to be on the 7th rank. Can you see the ranking here? Starting from Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, followed by India. The total area of India accounts to be 7th in its ranking. India is also the second largest country in Asia after China. It covers a major part of the South Asian subcontinent. Others in the region are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. The Indian territory other than its mainland includes the islands of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. As mentioned earlier, India covers a total area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, which it shares with its neighboring countries. How much is it? Yes, 15,200 kilometers. In comparison, the sea boundary or the boundary that the Indian coastline is shared by sea, along with the coastline of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. Now coming to the extent of India, the north-south extension of India is 3,214 kilometers, whereas the east-west extension is 2,993 kilometers. So let us quickly summarize what we have learned today. India's size, it is the 7th largest country in the world. Its total area is 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India's extent, the north-south extent in kilometers is 3,214. East-west extension is 2,993 kilometers. Land frontier is 15,200 kilometers and the coastline boundary is 7,516.6 kilometers